Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Earlier you saw how we downloaded XAMPP and installed in Kali Linux. So here my XAMPP is running. It is, you can find XAMPP in OPT folder when you go to file system and then go to OPT LAMP. Here we have that file manager x64.run that we need to actually change the permission also. If we don't have permission, we have to give plus x chmod plus x that you can see in my earlier video. And this I have started the manager using sudo command manager x64 run, and it will run XAMPP. And I have started Apache web server and MySQL for database. Started. You can start all, stop all, or select a particular and then start stop. So this is it, and then next we are going to visit bWAPP. I also show you how we can download Mutuality 2 in my previous video, which is a vulnerable web application to learn about the security risk or OWSP top 10. So bWAPP is also another buggy web application that we can. So we just type bWAPP in Google and then go to downloads. Here we we have two. One is bBox. We don't want that, and we are going to download this. When you click, it actually opens. I'll just show you. When you click this, and it will open and take you to SourceForge, and then you have to click on downloads. The version you can see is 2.2 zip file, 15 MB around. When you click downloads, again it will ask you this. You will see that the file may contain malware, and we have to ignore because it is a vulnerable web application. We can ignore that and download. Click on download. So when you click on download, it will start the download process, and you can see it's started downloading here. I'll just stop. I have already downloaded the file, so I'll just go to my downloads folder, and actually I need to move it to this location here, in this location, htdocs. Under OPT LAMP htdocs, I need to move. So earlier video you saw how I moved Mutuality 2 also. So now we are going to move it here, but for that I will open a terminal and create another folder directory. So I've just log in as root user now. Type my password, and I'm logged in as root user. So now I have to move that file from downloads to this location. So for that I will also go again to downloads folder and open another terminal here. So I cannot move directly like cut and paste because of lack of permission, so I'm using terminal. If I do ls, so I'm going to move it here, and also I have to create a directory actually. I'll create a directory called mkdir1, directory 1. You can see directory 1 is successfully created here, and I'm in downloads folder now, and then I'm going to sudo move and type the bWAPP zip file name, and then location will be opt lamp htdoc1 with sudo command, and press enter. Type my password, and now you can see from downloads it is automatically moved to this part lamp htdoc1. So I'll close this terminal now and go back to htdoc. Here we'll change directory to 1 and to ls, and you can see it is moved successfully. Now I'm going to unzip, and this is successful. So I have logged in as a root user. Remember, if you are not logged in, then you have to use if you're not logged in as root, you have to use sudo command. I'll go to that directory, htdocs1 directory that we created, and this is the bWAPP. We moved from downloads folder and then unzipped it, and this is the file bWAPP. So now actually we have to give a permission to this bWAPP, and for that I'll go again to terminal ls, and this is the file. Need to give permission. Giving 777 permission to this folder, and then ls -l. You can see the permission is given to this folder, all the permission 777. And now we will change directory to bWAPP. Inside the bWAPP directory we have so many files, you can see bWAPP. So first we will open browser and then go to this localhost, press enter, and it will redirect to our XAMPP. And in XAMPP we have to type one directory name and then bWAPP. So I have created the one directory, that is why one, and then bWAPP, the name of the directory where it is moved, that is this directory. So inside one bWAPP, so I'm going to this bWAPP directory. bWAPP, this is the directory. And now you can see login, nothing is coming here, so I'll just go and click on, go to install, and in install I'll just click install, and it doesn't install. So that is the issue actually. Now what we can do for this is go to admin. Here we have the admin directory. Change directory to admin, and here we have settings.php. We'll use mousepad. Use settings.php. In settings.php, if there is some password here, you need to make it blank, like no, we don't want any password. Username will be root and server is localhost. So if it is like this, you don't have to do any modification, leave it as it is. Next, we're going to one step behind, and we are in opt lamp htdoc1 folder in bWAPP. Here we have to edit the settings.php, not settings, okay, mistake. Install.php. So we're going to edit that install.php, and we have to go to this check if database bWAPP already exists. So here this we will change, we don't require this, like give a backspace, and now we are going to save this file. and then close. So this is done. Now we'll go to install. We'll refresh the page and try to install, and nothing happens again. So we will refresh the page again and create a bWAPP database. So for that, we'll go to localhost and type phpMyAdmin. So in phpMyAdmin, we will go to databases. In databases, we'll create a database called bWAPP. So we will create the database, and then we'll create. The database is successfully created. Now we will go to install and then refresh this page and click install. And as you can see, bWAPP has been installed successfully. Now you can go to bWAPP and it will redirect to login.php, and in login we can set the security level high, medium, low. We will start with low, and the username is B and the password is bug. It is B and the password is bug, and then we'll log in. Don't save. So this way we were able to download and install bWAPP, which is extremely buggy web application, and we can practice. We can choose different bugs like A1 injection, HTML injection, LDAP, command injection, etc. from here, and then hack and set the severity. Or else we can select from here. Like for example, we want to practice maybe SQL injection login, then we'll select that and then click on hack. It will go to that page actually. Oh, this is not working. Maybe I will try this one. And yeah, so this is. We can go from here, like HTML injection. Click on hack, and here we have the HTML that we can select, reflect. Get request. So in my upcoming video, I will demonstrate, walk you through this. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you faced trouble installing bWAPP 2.2 version, which is the latest one, and then you can follow this video and successfully install it to practice your web application skills, understand about web application risk to secure them. So thanks for watching.